Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, I'm quite excited to unbox and flip through with you the brand new release of the Self-Love Oracle by Chui. I hope that's how you pronounce it. It's a guidebook and 44 cards for healing and self-empowerment. This retails for $19.99 in the US and $26.99 in Canada, and it's published by Beyond Words. Now I will link in the description box where you can purchase this deck should you want to. I'm not sponsored and I'm not affiliated. I just want you to find what you're looking for and to give credit where credit is due. So let's check this out. What would it be like to truly love yourself unconditionally? Many of us believe that being deserving of love is based on our external accomplishments. How much money you have, how you look, what you own, but this kind of success can leave you feeling empty, directionless, overlooked, and underappreciated if you don't first love yourself. The Self-Love Oracle reminds you that your merit is not determined by childhood conditioning or societal norms, but the true worth comes from within, and that looking for love inside yourself is where the most powerful transformation and healing begins. Each of the 44 cards features a beautiful watercolor with an affirming and loving message, and the accompanying guidebook brings deeper insights into how you can release your limitations so that you know you deserve the best life has to offer. I'm excited. Let's get into it. This is actually a lot bigger than I expected. I thought it was going to be similar to a Hay House size deck. So this is quite exciting. Ooh, okay. Packaging on point. The cards feel pretty decent. Okay, before we get into the cards, let's just take a quick peek-see at the guidebook real fast. Ooh, I love a table of contents. Okay. And we have introduction. Ooh. So using the cards, they're tools for growth and inspiration. Each card with its artwork and its message was created to spark an understanding, an action, or an idea to pursue in your own way. There is no right or wrong interpretation, though the extra guidance in the book is aimed at providing further inspiration and suggestions if you get stuck. For example, the next section of sample draws and spreads may offer some helpful direction. All right, so we have 2-card, 3-card, Cornerstone reading, which has 5 cards. Oh, wow. Infinite Love reading, 8 cards. And then we get into the meanings. Okay, already I'm impressed. 20 bucks. All right, let's do this. So here's the back. Oh, there's a little bit of a gloss. So I'm going to try not to get the light reflections in it, but I'm going to do the best I can. All right. Ooh, they are numbered. Okay. Remember your spark. And then a little blurb about it. Awesome. Okay. The cardstock isn't terrible. It snaps back just fine, bends just fine. It's not too thin and it's not too thick. So you know what? I will take it for $20. So cute. Look at this guy. Aww. So I really like, so far, the messaging in this. I feel like this will be a great tool in your arsenal for helping you through some stuff, to just kind of have little reminders, much like the Therapets, if you have seen that. Sometimes we just need a little outside assurance. Things to help you get through your moments. Artwork is gorgeous. Very hermit vibes. I'm here for it. They're quite decent sized cards too. They're a little bit bigger than a, oh, we have a rogue card. Quite different than I thought they would be. Like I said, I thought that they would be more like a hay house style. I'm not mad about that at all. Aw, little wings. Oh. I honestly didn't know what to expect when I ordered this, so I'm pleasantly surprised. It's really pretty. I'm just trying to get it in the best possible spot. Oh man. Technology. This guy right here is giving me Falcor vibes. Ooh, so pretty. I was not expecting the mermaids to be in this, and I'm very happy about that. Oh, wow. Beautiful. So this, oh my gosh, that's so cute. This is very much a deck that anybody can use. Oh. Cute. I like that. All right, the last card. Okay, so let's see how they shuffle. Okay. You know what? I'm not mad about it. I feel like I say that a lot, but it's true. They shuffle just fine. The cardstock is just fine. For $19.99, I am okay with all of this. The quality is decent. It's, you know, it's not like it's this specifically amazing cardstock. I know a lot of people, that's like their one pet peeve is you know, hearing about what kind of cardstock it is. So we're going to read for Remember Your Spark. Like what I mean to say is, like people are really concerned about the cardstock, which is fair. For me, I am not that way at all. As long as it's not super paper thin and I can shuffle it just fine and it's not going to fall apart on me, I'm okay with it. But I completely understand if you're paying a certain price, you want your cardstock to be a certain way. Completely valid. So like I said, we're going to read for Remember Your Spark. You are here for a divine purpose. Remember it or redefine your purpose for yourself. So I'm going to set this off to the side so you can see it whilst I read for you from the guidebook. This is a card for going back to the start, whether you feel like you are starting from scratch or like you need to begin again because of recent setbacks. Beginnings are magical for all their new potential, untarnished by illusory limits and the expectations of others. Beginnings are moments for setting your own clear intentions and making sure they are aligned with your heart. Get in tune with yourself by asking some key questions. How do I show up in the world? How do I represent myself? What do I believe in? Does my current occupation bring me more joy than challenges? What do I need to do to feel safe, content, and cared for each and every day? How do I already do these things, and in which areas do I need to make improvements? Do the people in my life support these goals or hinder them? Any new journey will ultimately be for our growth, bringing us closer to the highest power that we believe in. Start your journey with a spirit of excitement, love, and trust. It is important to realize that the road ahead cannot be a failure unless we refuse to learn from it. Do what you feel you came to do in this life, even if that purpose isn't clear just yet. Your first step is simply to begin. All that matters is that you keep putting one foot in front of the other. Oh my goodness, I really love this deck. It is so gentle, it is so nurturing, and it like is one of those decks that I feel should be a part of everyone's collection, because again, you need a gentle, nurturing deck for those days when you just don't have it in you to hear something matter of fact, or, you know, to have something be so blunt. Sometimes you need things to help guide you in a gentle, nurturing way. And this is one of those decks. This would be fantastic for a card a day pull. This will be fantastic to see what areas in your life maybe to focus on, what kind of self-care you should try to do, what self-care might benefit you at that specific time, or just to see what maybe you need to meditate on for the day, what kind of advice you need at the moment. So absolutely, $19.95, I definitely think it's worth the price. I think that it's sweet. There's something in here for everybody, I feel, as far as the imagery goes. I honestly don't have anything to complain about, really. I mean, this is really sweet. I'm excited to start putting it in my repertoire and using it for my everyday practice. So I would love to know what you think about this. Is this something that's in your wish list? Is it something that you've not heard of? Is it something that you've already ordered? Or is this just a hard pass for you and you just say no? I love hearing your guys' thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. And with that being said, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate each and every one of your guys' support. I still cannot believe that we hit 10,000 subscribers. It's beyond me, and we're just growing, and I cannot thank you guys enough. So thank you again for all of that wonderful support. So if you have not yet already subscribed, go ahead and do so. Hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. And don't forget to like the video too. That way other people can see it in the algorithm. So thank you again for all of your love and support. I love hanging out with you. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.